These are the 10 lines that set boundaries without noise. 1. Relax, you don't owe me an explanation. 2. I don't chase attention, I watch effort. 3. I'm calm because I know my value. 4. I'm not here to compete with your ego. 5. I stopped asking questions when I saw the pattern. 6. I don't need closure, your actions were clear enough. 7. Silence doesn't mean confusion, it means decision. 8. This isn't personal, it's just where I draw the line. 9. When ego shows up, I exit quietly. 10. I'm not mad, I'm just losing interest. The strongest boundaries are calm, clear, and never explained twice. Fix life.